Alright, for today's class, I want us to look at reactions of hydrocarbons. We know that hydrocarbons are those compounds that contain only carbon and hydrogen. For example, alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Now let us look at the first reaction. In the first reaction, we have cyclohexane reacting with bromine in the presence of light to form bromocyclohexane and hydrogen bromide. So this is simply halogenation of alkanes, and we say that when an alkane reacts with a halogen in the presence of UV light or heat, we get a haloalkane and hydrogen halide. And to achieve halogenation of alkanes, we say that there has to happen what we call the free radical substitution, right? Which comprises of 3 steps. That is the chain initiation, chain propagation, and chain termination. So basically what happens here is that the bromine molecule in the presence of light breaks into 2 bromine radicals. One of the bromine radicals abstracts or removes a hydrogen from this carbon to form hydrogen bromide. And in the process, a cyclohexyl radical is also formed. That cyclohexyl radical, it reacts with a bromine molecule to form bromocyclohexane, and in the process a bromine radical is regenerated. And as for the second reaction, we have an alkene reacting with hydrogen chloride to form 2 products. That is the major product and the minor product. And know that the most stable product becomes the major product. And as for the less stable one, it becomes the minor product. So basically what happens here is that we're going to have the protonation of the alkene to form carbocation. And in this case here, we're going to have 2 possible carbocation. The double bond acts as a nucleophile. It abstracts a hydrogen from the hydrogen chloride. Know that when we break this double bond, we are going to have one unpaired electron here and the other unpaired electron here. And this hydrogen here, it can attach to this carbon and it can also attach to this carbon. Same thing applies for chloride. The chloride can attach to this carbon and it can also attach to this carbon. So when the chloride attacks this carbon, we are going to get a major product. And when it attacks this carbon, we are going to get a minor product. That is the end of our class. Thank you.